So we're going to look at percentages working backwards or reversing the change. This is another skill you're going to need for your Nat 5 maths. Okay, so let's have a look at this first question. So it's saying after a 20% discount, a pair of jeans cost £24. How much did they cost before the discount? So for example, in an appreciation and depreciation question, they give you the original amount and they say how much you need to decrease it by or increase it by. This is telling you how much it is after you've done that calculation. So it's like it's giving you the answer to a percentage increase or decrease question, and you need to work out what the question was. Okay, so let's draw a little bar model. Okay, so it's like you've got 100% of an amount and they've taken off 20%. And now they're telling you this much is £24. Okay, and you need to work out what this amount is. Now, what a lot of people will do is try and work out 20% of this £24. Now, that doesn't work because look, 20% of the big bar is not the same as 20% of the little bit 24. Okay, 20% of 24 is not the same. Okay, so we need to think of a different way to do this. Now, this is going to be 100% take away 20% is 80%. Okay, and how am I going to work out what 20% is? Well, one way you could do this one without a calculator is just split it into 4 bits. Now each of them is going to be, I'm going to just remove that £24 now, oops. I'm going to split it into 4 equal bits. Now this is terrible because these are all meant to be the same size. So that's 20%, 20%, 20%. You can see how that would make up the 80%. This is going to be 20% still. And this is £24. So each one of these 20% is going to be 24 divided by 4 equals £6. So it's like we've got 6, 6, 6, 6. And this is again 6. 6 times 5 is £30. That's our answer. Okay, now that's kind of how you would do it with no calculator. Okay, so this can be done with no calculator, but typically this will be a calculator question. And let's have a little look at this one. So this one's a bit trickier and I'll show you how to do it with a calculator. So my salary is increased by 13% to be 31,640. Okay, so again, I'm just going to draw a little picture because I quite like them. So I've got the 100% that I'm trying to work out. I've added on 13% and now all together I have got 31,640. Now here it was quite easy to split 80% into 20%, okay? Here I've got 113%. Now 113, that's not in so many times tables. So I know 113%, that's £31,640. Okay, let's just break it right down and get 1%. Okay, and work out what that is. Well, if I know what 113% is, I'm going to get 1% by dividing that by 113. So I divide both sides by 113 and I've got my calculator. And that tells me that's 280. Okay, easy peasy. So now I can work out 100% in a very straightforward manner. I just need to multiply this up by 100. Okay, so 280 times 100 is 28,000. Okay, it's moved 2 place value places bigger. And we're done, that's it. Stick a pound sign in there. Okay,